Hey guys, this is Jess. Welcome back to a second video. Here's a nightstand or a side table that I found at a local thrift store. I really liked it and was so excited to redo it, so let's get into it. So it's a cruller nightstand, which are known for being well made. Here I'm showing a chip off the side that I'm definitely going to have to fix with wood filler. Here I am putting it on, just applying it with my finger, and we'll let that dry for a couple hours before sanding. Here I am screwing off all the drawer pulls. I really like these, so I'm going to keep them and spray paint them later on. So I'm sanding with an 80 grit sanding disc, and I'm just going to sand the whole inside and also the outside rim of both the drawers. So for all the edges, I actually needed to use my triangle-shaped orbital sander, and that worked really well. It helped me not have to hand sand as much later on. I still needed to hand sand a bunch of corners and edges, but that's okay. After sanding, I'm just going to take a damp rag and clean both the drawers off so that they're ready for staining. I'm staining with weathered oak from Beeswax. I wasn't looking for a stain that was super warm, so this one is perfect. I apply it using a foam brush and then wait around 10 minutes before I wipe it off with a dry rag. Here I am doing all the outer edges as well. I'm going to leave that one inside rim for painting. I definitely should have painted it before sanding, but it is what it is. And here's the drawers all finished and stained. The spot that I hole filled is dry now, so I'm just going to sand that down. I'm also going to prepare it for painting, so I'm going to scuff sand the whole nightstand. After sanding the whole nightstand down, I'm just going to go over with a wet rag and make sure everything is perfectly clean for painting. I'm using Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Ash. Here I am just starting to apply it. Remember to always paint in one direction. Here's a quick little montage of all the painting, and sorry about my camera, for some reason it didn't feel like focusing on some of the videos, but you get the point. Some of you may ask why I didn't use green tape in this instance, but honestly every time I use it, it for some reason leaks through, so I've been painting for 3 years now, so I felt pretty confident doing this. While the paint's drying, I'm just going to start on cleaning the drawer pulls, and then I'm going to spray paint them. I'm just using a flat black to spray paint all the pulls. Make sure that you're shaking well before spraying. Once the paint is dry, I'm going to lightly sand everything down. And then with a damp rag, make sure that you're cleaning it really good before we put a second coat of paint on. While the second coat of paint is drying, I'm going to varathane the wood on all the drawers. Using a foam brush, I'm just going to apply one coat. Here I am putting all the pulls back on. So I let the nightstand dry overnight, and now I'm going to be putting a beeswax finish as a top coat over the whole thing. Using a dry lint-free cloth, just apply it in circles and then let it sit for about 20 minutes before you rub off all the excess. Now I'm going to show you what it looked like before and then reveal what it looks like after. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I need it.